We're here at SIHH 2018. We're with Cartier today, checking out their new watches.
Yeah, good place to start.
Great place to start. And we'll kick it off with the Cartier Drive Extra Thin. It's a watch that we saw last year. So maybe you want to talk a little bit about what we have this year?
Sure, yeah. So last year we got the Drive Extra Flat for the first time. It came in rose gold, and then it came in a limited edition white gold version. And this year we got what I think are arguably two better metals for this watch. We get it in yellow gold, which is super classic, and then we're getting it in steel. In steel, this to me is like, it is almost a perfect everyday watch. It's so slim, it's really elegant. I think this is like as good as modern Cartier gets. These like interesting shapes, really elegant, and it's so comfortable on the wrist.
Yeah. Next up, we have the Cartier Crash from the Libra collection. It originally came out in 1967, so here we have a limited edition, 50 pieces. I think it's just over $40,000, which, you know, not for everyone, but it's really incredible in person. It has this really amazing detailing on the bezel.
It's like a ridged engraving, yeah.
A ridged
the
engraving.
dial looks really nice on this model too.
Yeah. This is one of my favorites. It's always been a favorite of mine, the vintage pieces, so it's nice to see this kind of version of a modern one come back.
I think for me, a favorite has to be this new trio of Tank Centre. It's 3 models. The one we have here, this is platinum with a silver dial. It's a limited edition of 100 pieces. It has a ruby cabochon. They have Arabic numerals at 12 and 6, otherwise super clean dials. Again, sort of similar to the Drive Extra Flat. We're talking about slim, classic, really kind of like peak Cartier. And I can't wait to see the other two. These are really exceptional pieces.
And then next we have the star of the show this year for Cartier, which is the Santos collection, which is a pretty classic design. It features the screw down bezel, which everyone's familiar with, in the rounded square shape.
There's 2 sizes. This is the large size, which also you'll notice features a date at 6 o'clock. There's also a medium size, a little smaller, no date. They're both powered by the same automatic in-house movement. The straps and bracelets have a new quick change system, so you can swap them out pretty easily. I love the Santos bracelet personally. It's not kind of my usual aesthetic, but I'm into it. This is going to be Cartier's big push this year. So lots of great things from Cartier, and we'll have more for you over the coming days.